Hey guys, welcome to another college vlog. Today I'm just going to be working on stuff, trying to stay productive, and taking you guys along with me. Before we get into the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow the Instagram that's on the screen so you can get connected with me. And with all that said, let's get into the vlog. So I just woke up, it's almost 9 o'clock, and I stayed up last night studying until like 3 a.m., which I don't recommend, not smart. I just wanted to get topic 7 out of the way, so once I finish topic 8 today, I can just study. So I'm going to do my morning routine where I work out and stuff, but it's too early and I'm too tired from staying up so late to do it right now. So I'm gonna do my morning routine stuff a little later. Okay, so I finished the reading fairly quickly because it was only one section and it was a short section. So I'm gonna do the lectures. I basically screenshot the script and the lecture slide and then combine them in my GoodNotes app. And after I do the lectures, it's time for the learning objective, study set, quiz, and homework. So hopefully I'll finish this like before noon, and then I'll have basically the whole day to study for my exam. I'm actually feeling really tired, so I'm going to do my morning workout. So I use 2 different channels to get videos to work out on YouTube. One is Elias. She has a new YouTube channel, so make sure to go check it out. It'll be in the description. Elias has such a good video for burning lower belly fat, and my goal is to do that one nearly every single day. So go check out her channel. She is so sweet. I've been helping her with starting her channel and she deserves the follow, guys. But I'm going to do my workout, probably body shower, and then daily journal, and then get back to studying because I'm just not feeling focused and I don't want to do this stuff if I'm not focused. So I'm gonna go get to that and then update you guys probably once I'm gonna daily journal. Okay guys, if you hear footsteps, it's Apollo running around like a maniac because it's his morning sprinting time. So I just finished my workout, showered, and I probably still look sweaty, but that's just the Future Dew that I used in my skincare routine. So it makes me shiny, it sort of makes me look sweaty. So I did a lower ab workout by Elias, and then I did a HIIT body workout, like full body workout by Chloe Ting. I didn't get through that full video last time. I only got through like, I'd say 8 minutes. Today I got through 11 minutes of the video, so I'm pretty proud of myself. And then I ran up and down my stairs 6 times. I was aiming for 10, but my legs hurt really bad because I'm so out of shape. So I was like doing double steps up and then sprinting back down. And that's my workout for today. I'm trying not to push myself too hard because then I won't enjoy it, and I want to enjoy it every day. I also, in the beginning, stretched for like 10 minutes, and I was watching Lauren Doan's, I hope I'm saying her name right, her vlog, and I love her vlogs. They're so productive, so motivating. I just started watching her, and I'll link her channel in the description if you guys want to check her out. Her vlogs are aesthetic, motivating, and yeah, go show her some support. She just hit 18K a little bit ago, so that's really exciting for her. Luckily, working out did help me wake up, and I'm gonna start getting back to school now. Oh, I have to daily journal. So I'm gonna daily journal and then get back to school because I've been pretty good about daily journaling lately and I haven't the past couple days, so I'm gonna get to that. Okay, now that we've daily journaled and done our daily stoic, it's time to get back to school. I want to note though, I usually daily journal at night so I can journal about the full day, but since I missed the past couple days, I just updated on what's been going on and then said I would pick up on it later. So I'm probably gonna finish that journal entry tonight. And yeah, I'm feeling motivated. I'm gonna finish Lauren's vlog, get to school, and then hopefully finish topic 8 and get to studying. So it's 11 now and I just finished Lauren's vlog and it got me so inspired to like post on YouTube, and I wish I could edit this video and post it today. I'm posting 3 days a week and I have like the time in between when I post, which is max 2 days. During that time, I'm literally antsy to post another video, if that makes sense. Like literally the day after I post, I'm like, oh, I need to post another video. I just am so motivated with YouTube right now, and it's really motivating for me to see other creators make content that's productive and inspiring. And I don't know, I'm a new fan of her channel, but a big fan already. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just inspired and really want to make content, so I'm gonna get back to studying. I was supposed to like over an hour ago, but I'm really antsy to make something, whether that's like drawing or filming or editing a video. So I'm gonna knock out this last topic because after this I can do the fun studying, like making mind maps, drawing diagrams by hand, active recall. That's the kind of studying I like, the secondary studying. So let's get to it. So I finished 1 of 3 lectures and I'm sort of hungry. So I'm gonna go get some apples and almond butter, which has been my go-to breakfast every morning. Go potty? Go potty? Tell me. Tell me. Okay, okay. Okay. Good girl. So I've mentioned it once before, but I don't think I stressed it enough. The Barney almond butter is the best. I went through a whole jar so quickly once I realized how freaking good it was. I absolutely love it. With a Honeycrisp apple, it's like the best breakfast ever. So I don't know if there's hype around this almond butter, but there should be. So shout out to Barney Almond Butter. Please sponsor me. I love you. Okay guys, it's 1 now. I watched another vlog and posted something on Instagram because I was feeling like posting something. So as always, you can check out my Instagram if you want to stay more connected with me. I ask questions on there. You guys ask me questions for videos, and you guys can just keep up with my life easier that way. I'm going to get back to school and finish the PowerPoints this time, not just do one and then get distracted for an hour and a half. Okay, you guys keep asking me how I make my titles for my notes. I'm not going to go through the whole process right now. I will in a how I take notes video that's coming really soon, like this video if you want to see the how I take notes video. But basically, I use the app Procreate, which is an artistic app, like it's for drawing and stuff. I imported some fonts that I thought about for titles. They were all free with, I'll link the website in the description that I used. I can't really remember what it's called, but I signed up and you get a free like package of fonts and assets and stuff. So these were some of the free fonts and I liked this one the most. It's called Hello Fresh Tea Brush. Then I go to my gallery. I select it, share it as a PNG, which means it has no background, save the image, and then go back to GoodNotes and import the image. And that, my friends, is how I do my titles. I will show you the whole process of how I imported the fonts into Procreate and stuff, but that'll be in the How I Take Notes video. So with all that being said, I'm gonna get to my notes. Now that I'm done with the lectures and the reading, I have to do the learning objectives, study set, quiz, and homework. And then I'm done with all of my topics and can just study for the exam, which is what I want to do. So I'm gonna get to all that stuff, and I don't know if I'll film all of it because I'm gonna have a study with me really soon, but that's what I'll be doing for probably the next few hours. For lunch, I'm having this chopped kit, which is sunflower crunch. It has cabbage, green leaf lettuce, kale, sunflower seeds, sweet onion dressing, bacon bits, red cabbage, green onions, and carrots. And it's really good. This is like a massive bowl. I don't know if you can tell. I will probably eat the whole thing because I'm having it for lunch. So yeah, I'm literally gonna eat this whole thing, and it's a ton. And with this, I've finished everything for topics 1 through 8. That only took a week and a half. These 8 topics have taken me since last Monday. It's Wednesday now. I've worked on them nearly every single day, the entire day. 8 topics, 10 days, I think. My favorite part is checking it off on my calendar. Let's check them off together. Then my exam is in 2 days. Okay guys, sorry for the lawn equipment noises in the background, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. I have to focus on studying for my exam that's in a couple days because I only have the rest of today and tomorrow to study, and I really want to focus on that. I might film a study with me for it. I'm not totally sure yet, but I will let you guys know when I post that video. As always, I appreciate you guys watching with all of my heart, and I will see you guys very soon in another video. Peace out, guys.